Alright, so in this quick case study, I'll show you how we helped this entrepreneur save over 40 hours every single month by automating her order processing, giving her back an extra working week to focus on growing their business instead of being stuck in admin tasks. So, our client, PaolaBazz Art, is a solo entrepreneur and artist who sells her artwork through three main channels. Like many solopreneurs, she wears every single hat. So from creating the actual art to handling the logistics to the customer service, and she came to us because she was drowning in admin work, and it basically kept her away from doing what she loved, which was actually creating the art. So what was the challenge? Every new order that she was getting through the door was taking 2 hours to process. She had to log into the CRM, check inventory, hunt for the best shipping rates, ship the package, and so on. So, with 5 orders a week, this was basically taking away 40 hours every single month that she was wasting on manual data entry and admin work. And it was time that it was taken away from actually doing what she loved. So, how did we solve this? We started out by mapping out every single step within the order processing workflow, figuring out the inputs and outputs of every step. We then translated this into a fully tailored automation in NA10, where from a Gmail trigger, we essentially figured out, okay, where is the order coming from? And from there, we extracted the relevant information, we uploaded it onto the CRM, and then from there, we started to look at shipping rates. Once we hit that stage, we then made a HTTP request to the shipping provider, took the best rates, and then sent them to the user for them accepting those rates and then doing the final purchasing of the actual shipping labels. The reason why we introduced that final step of human interaction was because we wanted to make sure that there was some human in the loop element where the user could check essentially that the details were correct. So the results were actually very powerful because once we took that workflow and automated it, we went from 2 hours per order to just minutes, if not seconds, to process everything. So that was actually saving her 40 hours per month, so one extra working week. So basically, she was working with a 5-week month that she could now focus on to work on her art and her marketing as well. So this is just one example of what AI and automation can do to transform a business that is struggling with all the admin work and all those repetitive tasks that we have to do every single day. So if you're a small to medium business or a growing team and you're drowning in that manual work, then click the link below and let's have a chat and see if we can help.